Wake up with Matt in the morning. Oh, oh, hey, we're on. Good morning. Hey, thanks for waking up with me. So, just wanted to drop a video just to say Happy Thanksgiving. If you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, then Happy Thursday. Today we're going to be, of course, doing the Trader Joe's, all Trader Joe's Thanksgiving. It's 95% Trader Joe's, 5% not Trader Joe's. I'm looking forward to highlight some different items that maybe you can use in your Thanksgiving in the years to come for some time-saving options, maybe. Or just have something delicious. Anyways, so yeah, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Want to also give a big shout out to Big Dooley Dean out there doing Dooley things. And big shout out to Clark of Clark's Chili. And the rest of my food group, Christina and Amy, because you guys like food. Yeah. Who else am I thankful for? Stephanie. She helps me with the videos and the thumbnails and all the stuffs. Big thank you to Adeline Bell for helping out in the videos somehow. I don't know how, but somehow. Yeah, that's all I got. Thanks to coffee. Matt in the morning would not be Matt in the morning without coffee. I should really have a Thanksgiving cup. Yeah, our house is decorated for Christmas already, so whatever. Anyways, hey, thank you for being you. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon.